guys, we got 7 eggs. We're gonna add a little milk. You can add as much milk as you want, really. We're gonna add some salt. And then we're gonna whip it up. Whip them up good. Because if you got anybody like me, they don't want to get a hold to a big old pile of the yellow. That's me. And Wilder's in there whining because he's got something on his toe, guys. Sorry. Okay, now that looks whipped good. Now, I've got my pan here that I've had on low just to get it warm, but now I'm going to turn it up higher. I'm going to spray it. This is a corrode. It's good about not sticking. We're just going to put our eggs in there. And then we're just going to keep them turned, guys. To do scrambled eggs, I just kind of keep pushing them aside like that. You don't have to do it like constant. You just can, do it sometime. Okay? So I'll be back in just a little bit to show you when they get about medium there. Alright? Guys, I'm going to turn them down a little bit because they cooking. And then just keep them stirred. And that's how you come up with some good, fluffy scrambled eggs. Alright? We'll be back when they're ready. As they get done, look how they start looking. Now, some people like theirs a little runny. Even scrambled eggs a little runny. I've seen cooks cook them that way. Now, nobody around here does, but, if you like them a little runny, then stop them a little runny. We like ours good and done, but this is what it looks like when they're almost there, guys. Keep them turned, because they'll brown on you in a heartbeat. And they get dry pretty quick. Get dry pretty quick. See how quickly they're getting dry? Like I said, we like ours good and dry, good and done. So I'm just keeping on stirring them. And see, by stirring as often as I do, see how I have little pieces? Now, if you didn't stir real often, you just have bigger pieces, but it's okay. Neither one is exactly right. Okay? All right, and there's our scrambled eggs.